Here's how to create this big hand effect. Clip 1. Take a video of yourself throwing your drink forward and back. Clip 2. Take a picture of your hand and the drink. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in our description. Import your video on InShot. Scroll to where you throw the drink forward and tap Sticker. Choose from your camera roll and press the cutout button. Neaten up your sticker, then minimize it till it's the same size as the drink in your hand. Add a keyframe, then enlarge your hand and tilt it left and right. Once you've reached the part where your hand retracts, minimize the sticker, split the clip, and delete the excess. And you should get something like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.